Today, we are taking a first look at one of the most anticipated dual sport bikes of the year, the 2026 Honda CRF750L. Honda has expanded its legendary CRF lineup with this new midweight edition, and it's already creating a stir among adventure riders and off-road purists alike. Bridging the gap between lightweight trail machines and heavyweight ADV bikes, the CRF750L aims to deliver true off-road capability without compromising road comfort. Let's dig into what this new machine brings to the table. Design and purpose. The 2026 CRF750L follows the familiar rally-inspired design language of the CRF family, but with a more robust and adventure-focused twist. It looks like a bigger sibling of the CRF450L, featuring tall, aggressive lines, a slim rally-style fairing, a high front fender, and minimalist bodywork that screams function over flash. Honda clearly designed this bike with serious off-road intentions while keeping it road-legal and versatile for multi-day trips. It's a true dual sport in the classic sense, not just an adventure-styled street bike. Engine and performance. Powering the CRF750L is a newly developed 755 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, derived from the same unicam architecture seen in Honda's off-road racing machines. Tuned for linear torque and tractable power delivery, the engine produces around 70 horsepower and 68 Nm of torque. This puts it in the sweet spot for riders who want enough grunt for highway stints and loaded-up trail rides without the weight and bulk of leader-class ADV bikes. The power band is broad and forgiving, making it suitable for technical terrain as well as long-distance travel. Fuel injection and ride-by-wire come standard, allowing for selectable ride modes and traction control. Chassis and suspension. Where the CRF750L truly stands out is in its chassis setup. Built around a lightweight aluminum twin-spar frame, the bike offers a rare combination of off-road agility and highway stability. The long-travel suspension is provided by fully adjustable Showa components, $43 million forks at the front and a ProLink rear shock with remote preload adjustment. With over 250 mm of suspension travel and 270 mm of ground clearance, it's clear that this bike is built to handle rough trails, rock gardens, and everything in between. The narrow midsection and flat seat also provide excellent control when riding standing up. Wheels, tires, and brakes. Staying true to its off-road mission, the CRF750L comes with 21-inch front and 18-inch rear spoked wheels, wrapped in dual-sport rubber from the factory. These dimensions cater to riders who intend to swap in more aggressive tires based on terrain needs. Braking is handled by dual 296 mm front discs with two piston calipers and a single 240 mm rear disc. ABS is switchable at the rear, a must-have for serious trail work. Honda's latest off-road ABS tuning allows for safer braking on loose surfaces while retaining sensitivity on tarmac. Ergonomics and rider comfort. The ergonomics of the CRF750L strike a balance between aggressive off-road control and long-distance comfort. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and slim seat offer excellent leverage and control on technical terrain. At 890 mm seat height, it's tall but not unmanageable for experienced riders. Honda offers an optional low-seat variant for shorter riders. Wind protection is basic but effective, with a compact rally-style screen that cuts fatigue during longer rides. The fuel tank holds 16.5 liters, offering a decent range of over 300 kilometers depending on riding conditions. Technology and features. While rugged and minimalistic, the CRF750L still packs modern tech where it matters. The TFT display is compact but highly legible, offering customizable layouts and smartphone connectivity. Honda's selectable torque control, HSTC, engine braking control, and multiple ride modes allow riders to tailor performance for varying terrain and conditions. A quick shifter is available as an option, and the bike comes equipped with LED lighting all around. Importantly, Honda kept things modular, enabling riders to add or strip down accessories depending on use. There's also a USB-C port for powering devices during long rides. Weight and practicality. Tipping the scales at just under 200 kilograms wet, the CRF750L is impressively light for a midsize ADV dual-sport hybrid. It's more agile off-road than most adventure bikes in its class and far more manageable than the Africa Twin in tighter technical sections. The subframe is designed to support luggage racks,